Irene. I'm from Thailand, Bangkok.
I hope that we can do our best to do the hospitality from our heart.
I also have like the Chinese name, Li Zilin.
咁多國際嘅選手可以交流啦。
So for me, I think Macau is a luxury place with a lot of different hotels, and it's also a mixed culture with Portuguese and also Chinese culture.
Very excited to make new friends.
This training camp has helped me a lot.
Everyone here is very dear to me.
And the learning is a continuous process. Definitely they will learn a lot with this.
Also the Seattle City View.
For the special activity, which it was like only F&B product selection. So Shai mentioned that
Well, I would say that this training camp, it's not just about exchanging skills, but also sharing the values together.
Very excited about this and then looking forward to join this event, and then finally we made it.
We can learn better with more countries participating, and we can share ideas and best practices.